Dear ladies and gentlemen, this guide will assist you in removal of nonamepbl83.live pop-ups. They are also titled as virus found scam. The reason why it is considered as scam is because there is a scary message reported by this pop-up. nonamepbl83.live. It says a website you have visited today has infected your Mac with a virus. A full system scan is now required to find and remove harmful files or applications from your Mac device. It even specifies your device name, your browser, and even your IP address and location. So the pop-up tricks you to click on the Scan Now button, and there will be certain imitation of scanning in progress. However, you should not interact with all such alerts because they are faulty. You should not trust any of these faulty statements that you may see reported in the pop-up. And you should stay away from downloading any software that these particular pop-ups recommend. If you click on Remove Virus Now button, you will be redirected to some other dangerous resource where you most likely will be told to download and install some dubious software. I'm just wondering what exactly will be told for us to download. This time it will be called TweakBeat Mac Repair. It's a really dubious application and you should not install it. Instead, you should disregard these pop-ups. And what you need to do is to scan your Mac with the reliable security software. You may do it with Combo Cleaner antivirus, downloadable through the website combocleaner.com. Use this Download Combo Cleaner button to download the application, and after you download and install it, start it from your Launchpad. This is the way the program looks like. It has the trial version, which has the disk cleaner function, and the premium version that most importantly comes with the antivirus. Click on Start Combo Scan button. That will initiate the scanning procedure, and some threats may be detected immediately, or it may take some time until the thorough research of your Mac is performed by the program. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. All the best.